India today added 42,766 new Covid cases in the last 24 hours, slightly lower than yesterday's 43,393 cases. From 911 Covid deaths yesterday, the number today has shot up to 1,206. Total deaths in the country due to Covid are at 4,07,145. Amid daily reports of Covid cases in the country, appalling visuals of overcrowding at tourist destinations in northern Indian hill stations have raised concerns, prompting the government and the Indian Council of Medical Research, which is leading the Covid fight in India, to call the situation frightening. The centre has warned against laxity in following Covid-appropriate behaviour. The Health Ministry reminded people that the virus spreads aggressively in crowded places. India has just emerged from a deadly second wave of coronavirus peaking in the months of April to May, causing devastating shortages of beds and medical oxygen. However, it seems the memory of most Indians is short-lived, with thousands flocking to the hills for holidays and behaving recklessly, with no social distancing or masks. Dr. V.K. Paul, a member of Niti Aayog's COVID task force, said, "The virus could take the upper hand if the situation does not change." He said India needs to achieve a baseline of 10,000 cases for at least 3 consecutive weeks before it could be said that the situation was under control. He reminded the public that the war is not over, the second wave is not over. In fact, there are worrying indications that if such behavior continues and a new, even more transmissible variant emerges, then a third wave may just be round the corner. Meanwhile, 2 cases of the highly transmissible Kappa variant of Covid-19 have been detected in Uttar Pradesh through the genome sequencing of samples, the state government said on Friday. The Kappa variant has been characterized by the World Health Organization as a variant of interest. A top state official said cases of this variant were found in the state earlier as well.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.